हाय।
पूजा, आप ये बताइए, आप तो बचपन से इस इंडस्ट्री को देखती आई हैं, तो क्या आप इसलिए कहें कि आप इंडस्ट्री में बहुत जान पहचान थी पहले से, इसलिए आप एक एक्ट्रेस बनना चाहती थी, या वैसे भी आप बनती एक्ट्रेस?
जी नहीं, I had no plans to ever become an actress, and it happened purely by accident. I can't speak in Hindi for the simple reason that my grammar is not very good. So if I speak bad Hindi, my fans will be extremely disappointed. So I rather speak in the language I think in. So I think in English, so I'll speak in English. So I had no plans as such to become an actress. It just happened by accident.
सो आपको लगता है कि आप इतनी सारी फिल्म वगैरह कर चुकी हैं कि एक ट्रेनिंग हासिल करने से फर्क पड़ता है एक्टिंग में?
No, I'm sure it makes a difference, but a training will give you a know-how of the craft. You will probably learn the craft, but eventually a school cannot give you a talent. You have to have a talent within you. They can probably groom you and nurture that, but they cannot give it to you.
और आप आपके करियर के लिए आपके फादर को कितना क्रेडिट देंगे?
Well, for my first film, and for actually the kind of actress I am, definitely a very major part of the credit should go to him. But then a director can only create an atmosphere in which an actress or an actor is absolutely comfortable. He can teach you the ropes, but eventually between start, sound and cut, it's you. You have to do your own bit. So nobody can help you. Nobody can help you. Nobody can make you act if you don't have it in you. They can't. मतलब जाके मौसम भी खरीदो तो फिर it's got to be a good मौसमी, right? But otherwise your juice is going to be like really bitter. You can't like kind of just squeeze anything and get like really good tasting juice. So it's that eventually.
आप ये बताइए, आपका सबसे पहला एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था टू फेस अ कैमरा?
It was definitely frightening because I had my unit, which I had grown up in. By my unit, I mean the light men and the spot boys, who were extremely important to me because I've grown up on the sets. So those are the same guys that I played with when I was about 7 or 8 years old, and it mattered to me what they thought of me because they always saw me in the capacity of the boss's daughter. Now they were seeing me for myself, so their opinion mattered a lot. So it was extremely frightening.
पूजा, आप तो आप काफ़ी फिल्में कर चुकी हैं, आप बताइए कि आपको किस किस्म के रोल ज़्यादा करने के लिए पसंद है?
Anything that's new, anything that's challenging. I think comedy is something I really enjoy doing, though it's an extremely difficult thing to do. It's very easy to cry and scream and shout and yell, but comedy is something that's very difficult, and I enjoy doing comedy. So Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi was a very good experience for me. It was a learning experience for me, and anything that is new is exciting.
अच्छा पूजा, एक सवाल ये कि इस इंडस्ट्री में अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि जो हीरो होता है, जो एक्टर्स हैं इस इंडस्ट्री के, वो बहुत सालों इस इंडस्ट्री में एक्टिंग करते हैं, उनके बच्चे हो जाते हैं, शादी होती है, फिर भी सर्वाइव कर जाते हैं, लेकिन बहुत ही कम रेशियो हीरोइनों का जो शादी करके बच्चे पैदा करके भी इस इंडस्ट्री में सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं। उसका रीज़न आप क्या बताएं?
It's the Indian mentality basically. If you're somebody else's woman, you can't be desirable. You cannot be wanted. You cannot have people say yes, I want to watch so and so. So it's I don't think there are any actresses who have I'm talking about heroines, okay? I'm not talking about character artists who have had kids and have been heroines. I don't think there are any. I don't think there are any. But that's the mentality that we have here.
आप अपनी फिटनेस के बारे में कैसे क्या करते हैं?
Well, I am an extremely lazy person, but I try and cut down on my diet. I love food. I love eating. And I do my little bit of workout whenever I get the time. So I've managed so far.
पूजा, आप डायरेक्शन के बारे में क्या सोचती हैं? आप
I
नहीं
don't.
सोचती कि आपके फादर इस प्रोफेशन में, तो आप कभी डायरेक्टर बनना पसंद है?
वैसे मेरे बाप आदमी है, मैंने ये नहीं सोचा कि मैं आदमी बनूंगी लाइफ में.
और आपके कोई आइडल रहा है इस इंडस्ट्री में आने से पहले जिसको आप पसंद करते हैं?
There are lots of people who I admire, lots of people whose work I admire, whose work I have admired and admire now. But there's no person as such who I want to ape or who I kind of, set my standards by.
इंडियन स्क्रीन में से सिनेमा में से कौन सा कोई आर्टिस्ट जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया है एज अ ईयर जो आपको जो फिल्म देखकर इनकी पसंद
You're talking about now, you're talking about earlier, you're talking about what?
और नाउ व्हाटएवर
But I loved Nargis ji. I think Veda Rahman is absolutely beautiful. And I think Madhuri is fabulous. I like her very much. All the girls, I think Manisha is really very pretty, the prettiest of the lot. Everybody, I think all the girls we have today are extremely competent and very professional, very hardworking, very determined to succeed. So there's nobody here for a lark. Whoever's working today is extremely, career oriented. They know what they want and they're going ahead and getting it.
पूजा आपके रोल के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे इस फिल्म में साथ में?
See, it is very difficult to explain to anybody what your role in a film is in one line without making it sound like a cliche and making it sound different. It's extremely difficult. It's a love story, I'm sure, as you know, which is basically every Hindi film is more or less the same formula. It depends on how it's treated. I guess it's treated slightly different from the other film or the one after this or whatever. And it's ridiculous for me to try and explain it in one sentence. It's like not possible.
खैर आप स्क्रिप्ट और गाने तो आपको पता ही होंगे, कोई गाना जो आपको बहुत पसंद आया?
From the film. You were asking me this at a point when we've just begun shooting the film. Abhi, the film has just started. It's not. Songs have happened, but this film is not complete yet. So once I do all my songs, then I can decide my favorite.
Okay.
So right now it will be an extremely biased opinion.
Okay. और आप ललित जी के साथ पहले भी काम करते थे?
No, it's my first film with him. I'm doing another film with him called Sambandh. But I enjoy working with him a lot because he's one of the most easiest persons to work with. He's very clear about what he wants and he's not an extremely demanding director. He's a very easy-going person. So working with him is like not really like work actually. So it's okay.
और आप महेश जी के साथ काम करते हैं और किसी डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करते हैं, कितना फर्क होता है उसमें?
जैसे लहरे से बात करो और जी टीवी से